The GEODNET team was excited to be at the Western Regional Survey Conference, connecting with surveyors and geospatial professionals to shape the future of the industry. At the event, we showcased how the GEODNET RTK network is delivering reliable, high-accuracy positioning for surveying, mapping, and field operations. We also highlighted GeoMeasure, our integrated handheld GNSS RTK receiver built to make precise field data collection more accessible and efficient. From streamlining work in the field to enabling accurate real-time positioning, these solutions are becoming essential tools for modern survey workflows. We also had the chance to demo our latest solutions and connect directly with professionals who rely on accuracy every day. Hearing real-world feedback and seeing how these tools are used in the field continues to drive our innovation forward. A big thank you to everyone who stopped by and spent time with us. We truly appreciate the conversations and insights. Together, we're building the future of precision surveying.
GEODNET. Mind the sky.